Cause unsa ng asilom. Asilom. Ning gawas na siya ng word kabahin ito ni Attorney Harry Roque, no? Kung nakafile ba kung siya asilom. Dali ra kay na. Atong tanawon sa Google. Ayan. Asilom. Adara. The protection granted by a nation to someone who has left their native country as a political refugee. Murag protection din siya diya sa unsa nang refugee? Refugee? Tanaw na to unsa nang refugee? Dali ra man na Adara. Refugee, a person who has been forced to leave their country in order to escape war, persecution, or natural disaster. Mo na siya kung ningbiya ka sa miyang say persecution. Persecution? Tanaw na to. Persecution. Dali na sa muna. Dalayo. Persecution, hostility, and ill treatment, especially on the basis of ethnicity, religion, or sexual orientation or political beliefs. Mo rin na siya persecution. Ethnicity. Ethnicity. Tanong ethnicity. Kamu na research sa Google. Ba't nag-hagwag ko ninyo?